So this is our Day of the Dead look, step by step. I'm going to start by getting a full white base all over the face. You can use the sponge and really press in the colour into the face so it's nice and even and give you a good base. Next, apply a little bit of black lightly on the sponge on the temples, underneath the cheekbones, and then underneath the jaw. This is going to give the face some real structure on the finished look. Don't worry if you find that your look it looks funny, it will come together. We're now going to apply some black details, so some jaw bones, apply around the hairline to give definition, and around the eye sockets, giving that real Day of the Dead look. Get a little bit of grey around the mouth. It doesn't seem important, but it is, because then when you get the white on for the teeth, it's really going to help those to stand out. Get a bit of black detail now, put that around the eyes, on the chin, on the forehead. You can be as creative as you want to be with this. Also apply a little bit of black around the teeth, so that really brings the teeth out and gives that definition that you need. Don't forget the nose. And like we say, the teeth. Using the red, you can start to add some colour to it, add it into the detail, and there you have your Day of the Dead look.